Determine whether three side lengths form a right triangle. Determine if each set of side lengths forms a right triangle. If you are given three lengths and someone asks you, are they a right triangle or are they not? The first thing I would suggest is find the longest side because that has to be your hypotenuse if it works. So here we put in 13 squared plus 7 squared, and then on the next line we put in 18 squared. If you'll notice, these two things are not equal, so they are not a right triangle. Now in this instance, 17 is the longest, so it will be by itself because if it works, that's your hypotenuse. So 8 squared plus 15 squared is 289, and 17 squared is also 289. So this is definitely, or these three lengths would definitely form a right triangle. This question asks, which of the following side lengths do not, be careful, do not form a right triangle? There are several ways to do it, but I think the way I would do it is I'd look at each of my choices and I'd find the longest length in each one, because it won't always be first and it won't always be last. So I'm going through and I'm finding the longest length in each choice. So I know the longest length, the hypotenuse length, has to be by itself. Then I would do the leg squared plus the other leg squared. In this case, they are equal, but we want one that does not work. So that is out. Now let's try the next one. 25 is the longest, so I will make it my hypotenuse. And then we have a 24 and we have a 7. When I put those in, they are both equal. We want the one that does not work, so let's mark that out. Let's do this again. We're going to try 20 squared, which is the longest. Then we're going to try 11 squared and 16 squared. They do not equal, so these would not form a right triangle, so that's what we're looking for. But let's go ahead and try the last one just to make certain. 13 squared, because that would be the longest, the hypotenuse. Then we would replace this with, if I can make my calculator do what I want it to, a 5 squared and a 12 squared. Those two also match, which is not what we want, so that one doesn't work either. And we're through with that one.